Keys. Scarf. Toque. Boots. Oh no, not those. Boots. Camera. Action. Hello, welcome to Car Creations. So, as you can tell, it snowed rather a lot. You can tell by the car here. Probably a lot more than we would have imagined, especially in one night. But we just got a shipment in, so let's take a look. All right. This is a 2002 F350 Ford. Yay! But the video isn't about it. It's boring. Okay, let's take a look. Oh yeah. Man, they only did it in 2 boxes. Oh, they put 2 rims in a box. Must Crazy be heavy. Ooh, they're not actually that heavy. Oh really? Yeah. Just pull it onto the bed, or onto the tailgate, and grab a knife or something. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, let's grab a knife. Right here is a very dangerous spot to be. We could use this. Oh, or this. This could work. Neither of these are for this task, but that's how you do all jobs on the farm, right? Oh, no, I got something. Can you use these? So much better. Thank you. Again, not for this task. These are for shearing, cutting goats' hooves or something. This is snowy, and snowy runs away a lot. This is exciting. They're so packing light. Quite well. They're so like. How heavy do you think it would be? At least 25. Oh yeah. Actually, probably 7 pounds. 27 pounds. 27. Hey, that was pretty close. All right, wait. Before you open it, let's go start your car. Okay, yeah. It's super cold right now, so I just want to hear a cold start. Yeah, these ones are huge. Got dog hair on. And the car is could be interesting. There's a chunker on there. You should just leave like a little hat on the roof. Okay, that's cool. Let's go take a look at the rims now. So I've been searching for winter rims for a long time, and I went on Facebook and I put a poll on a bunch of the groups, and the OZ ones actually won out by far, just because of their heritage and everything like that. And it turns out, good thing I bought them, because when I went to just take a look at the other ones I was thinking about, their offset was way off, so it would interact with the suspension and stuff. Keep that in mind if you ever look for rims. Okay. Let's go. You ready? Yeah. So excited. Man, they package them super well. Okay, no one can see it yet. I know! Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is amazing. That's carbon fiber. So good. Carbon fiber center caps. Trying to dig Joshua's car out. Now we should be able to make it to work just to get out in the morning. There you go, now you can get out. So that's what it's going to look like with it on. Kind of more like that. Super cool. That's going to look awesome. As you can see here, the rims are a fair bit wider, so that's going to look super cool with, it'll give it a wider stance. Oh yeah. 6x6 Clubman. New package. Never have a knife on me, so pen it is. This is way harder than I thought. There's staples in it. Whew. Only a few battle wounds. So what do we have here? Oh yeah, I see some control arms. So we have some arms here. Some extensions. Some spacers. More spacers. More spacers. Limited warranty. And instructions from M7 Speed Performance. So if you haven't guessed yet, this is my new lift kit for my Clubman, which I'm in currently. So stay tuned to the next video to see us install this. Okay, I should get out the boot. Well, that's gonna be it for the vlog today. We just have to go put these things on now, so definitely excited about that. So stay tuned for the install, as well as for when we install the 2.5-inch lift. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one. See all this snow that's in the rims from doing shenanigans will freeze your rims, and then when you're going down the highway, you'll get that, and your car's steering wheel will be going like this because they put them out of balance. So if you ever get a chance, take all the snow out that's in there.